Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So today I want to give you another quick pro tip about safety glasses. So safety glasses are one of the most important things that you can do for yourself in the blacksmith shop is wear safety glasses or eye protection. No doubt in my mind about that whatsoever. But there is some major differences in safety gear for your eyes. So I want to talk a little bit about that today. So in my hands here, what I'm wearing, I have a pair of 3M safety glasses. These are, I won't get into all the specs, made in China. This is not a sponsored video by 3M by no means. And I have another pair of safety glasses made by, again, this is a 3M, this is the same 3M product, okay? And it's called the Force Flex, okay? Now, you would say, okay, well, that's both the same manufacturer, so it should be about the same amount of quality. I spent $20, I believe it was, on these here. And they looked kind of more stylish. They looked like they were a little bit better than these cheap 3M glasses. And I thought to myself, hey, these are perfect, right? Like, I can get on these and, you know, maybe they're not as stylish. They look kind of dorky on me now that I'm looking at myself in the little viewfinder here. But I thought, well, hey, those might be more comfortable on my head. I've got, you know, these are kind of sharp on the ears. And so I thought to myself, these will be a little more comfortable on my head. They've got a little softer band to them. That'll be great. Problem with that being, these are very flexible like this. And what I have found over just a little period of time, that if I wear these and I look down and I'm working, these just shake and drop right off my head, providing me with less and less protection as they get further and further away from my face, okay, and protecting my eyes, which is their purpose in the first place. So these $20 pair, or a $9 package of 4 of these, which did I choose? I go with the $9 package of 4 of these. Not because it's cheap, just because it's better. It's actually better. This is one of those times in life that's actually better. They hook around the ears so they don't want to just slide and just drop off my face. And so therefore they protect my eyes way better than what these do. So really expensive safety glasses doesn't always mean better protection in this case. The design flaws in this is that they're too flexible and they fall off your head when you need them the most. Right in the middle of a grind or cutting something off, they just fall or sag, and that provides a safety risk. So let me know what type of safety protection you use for your eyes in your blacksmith shop in the comment section down below. I would love to take and hear from you. And like always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.